How to monitor API usage and cost on Lalal.ai. First of all, open your web browser and visit the official website by typing Lalal.ai in the address bar. Log into your account using your credentials. If you haven't created an account yet, sign up for OWN to access the API features. Once logged in, navigate to your profile dashboard where you can find the API section. Here you will see detailed information about your API usage, including the number of requests made, processing minutes used, and your current balance or credits available. Lalal.ai provides clear statistics to help you keep track of how much of your API quota you have consumed. To monitor your cost effectively, check the pricing plans linked in your dashboard. This helps you understand how much each API request or processing minutes cost based on your subscription. You can also set alerts or limits if the platform supports them to avoid unexpected charges. If you notice unusual activity or high usage, you can contact Lalal.ai support for assistance. And that's it. Now you know how to monitor API usage and cost on Lalal.ai. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more audio tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.